Before going to the next exercise, we are going to discuss about the concepts. The first one is circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle can be defined as C is equals to 2 pi r. It is the formula. Here r is equals to the radius. Okay. Circumference of a circle C is equals to 2 pi r. Here pi is the constant, r is the radius of the circle. Next, see, this is the circumference, how the arrow shows. This is known as the center, this is the diameter, this is from here to here, it is called as radius, and this is called as a chord. Okay, once again we will see center, diameter, radius, chord, and this is totally, this black part is called as a circumference. See here, clearly it is defined. The red colored part is converted totally, it covers the total circle. Okay, this is called as the circumference of the circle. See this one. The red colored part over the blue colored circle. Okay, the part covered in which this area is called as the circumference of the circle. See, the total area is called as circumference. Area of the circle. See this picture carefully. Formula is 2 pi r. Okay, here r is the radius of the circle. Okay, and the area of circle is equals to pi r square. How this formula was? Okay, observe this picture carefully. Observe the picture carefully. Okay, this is 2 pi r. This is 2 pi r into r. This is equals to 2 pi r square, or it is called as upon cancellation. This is known as pi r square. So area of the circle is equals to pi r square. See once again. Observe this picture carefully. Two pi r into r. So that this is 2 pi r, this is r, pi r square. Next. Coming back to exercise 11.3. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius: 14 centimeters, 28 centimeters, 21 centimeters. A. Given the radius r is equals to 14 centimeters, the formula for circumference is equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 14. Upon cancellation, we have got 88 centimeters. Similarly, for problem B, given the radius r is equals to 28 millimeters. So the circumference is equals to 2 pi r, in which 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. This is equals to 176 millimeters. Okay, and the last one C is equals to, given radius r is equals to 21 centimeters. Therefore, circumference is equals to 2 pi r. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. Upon cancellation, we have got the value 132 centimeters. Question number 2. Find the area of the following circles. Okay. Given that radius is equals to 14 millimeters. So here r is equals to 14 millimeters. Area of the circle is equals to pi r square. So pi into 14 into 14, that is r square. The value of pi is a constant 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Next, here the diameter is equals to 49 meters. Okay, so the radius can be diameter by 2, that is equals to 49 by 2 meters. And the area we have to calculate is pi r square. Okay, so pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2, because the formula is pi r square. Okay, upon cancellation 3773 by 2 meter square. This is equals to 1886.5 meter square. This is the area. Question number C. Radius is equals to 5 centimeters. See, the formula here is, what is the formula? For area, A is equals to pi r square. That means pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 5 into 5. Okay, upon cancellation, this will become as 550 by 7. This is equals to 78.57 centimeter square. Okay. Next, question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. So given that circumference is equals to 154 meters, that means 2 pi r is equals to 154. Okay, from this 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r is equals to 154. Therefore, the value of the radius is equals to r is equals to 154 into 7 by 2 into 22. This is equals to 49 by 2 meters. Area of the sheet is equals to pi r square. 22 by 7 into r value is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Okay. So upon simplification, the value becomes as 3773 by 2, which is equals to 1886.5 meter square. Okay. This is the area of the sheet. Next problem, problem number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds a fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs 4 rupees per meter. Okay. Here he was given that the diameter of the circular garden is equals to 21 meters. Therefore, radius is equals to diameter by 2, that is 21 by 2 meters. And the circumference is equals to 2 pi r, that is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2, which is equals to 66 meters upon simplification. The length of the rope needed for 2 rounds, that is 2 into 66 meters, because circumference means 1 complete round. This is the circumference, 1 complete round. So length of the rope needed for 2 rounds, that is 2 into 66 is equals to 132 meters. Therefore, the cost of the rope is equals to 4 into 132, which is equals to 528 rupees. Okay, because the cost per meter is 4 rupees here. Okay, here we have got the length of the rope needed for 2 rounds. Its value is 132 meters. But to find the cost, because the cost he was given 4 rupees per meter, it is 4 into 132. This is equals to 528 rupees. Question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeters, a circle of radius 3 centimeters is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi value as 3.14. Given that the radius of the circular sheet is equals to 4 centimeters. Therefore, area A is equals to pi r square, which is equals to pi into 4 into 4. If you have taken, this is 16 pi centimeter square. Okay, and also given the radius of the circle to be removed is equals to 3 centimeters. That means area of the sheet removed is pi r square, that is 9 pi cm square, centimeter square. And we have to find the area of the remaining sheet is equals to 16 pi minus 9 pi centimeter square, which is equals to 7 pi centimeter square. The value of pi we have to take it as 3.14. So 7 into 3.14 centimeter square, which is equals to 21.98 centimeter square. Okay. So the required area is 21.98 centimeter square. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table. Okay, a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meters. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost 15 rupees. Take pi value as 3.14. Given that the diameter of the table cover is equals to 1.5 meters. Therefore, radius is equals to 1.5 by 2, which is equals to 0.75 meters here. And the length of the lace is equals to 2 pi r. Okay. That means 2 into the pi value, we have to take it as 3.17 into 0.75. Okay. Upon simplification, this value will become as 4.710 meters. So the cost of the lace is equals to 15 rupees into 4.710, because here it was given the cost of lace for 1 meter is 15 rupees. So for 1 meter it is 15 rupees. For 4.710 it is 4.710 into 15 rupees, which is equals to 70.65 meter, 70.65 rupees. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the given figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. The diameter is equals to 10 centimeters. Therefore, the radius is equals to 10 by 2, which is equals to 5 centimeters. The perimeter of the semicircle is equals to pi r. That means 22 by 7 into 5. Okay. So upon simplification, this will become as 110 by 7 centimeters. Perimeter of the figure includes the diameter as 110 by 7 plus diameter, right? Because perimeter includes the diameter. That means 110 by 7 plus 10. Taking the 7 as LCM, 110 plus 7 into 10 is 70. That is 180 by 7 centimeters. Okay, upon simplification, this will become as 25.71 centimeters. Hence, the required perimeter is 25.71 centimeters. Question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meters. And if the rate of polishing is 15 rupees per meter square, okay, take pi value as 3.14. And here given that diameter is equals to 1.6 meters. Therefore, radius is equals to 1.6 by 2, which is 0.8 meters. Okay, but the area of the tabletop is equals to pi r square. It is the formula. Pi value here we have to take 3.14. So 3.14 into r square. Here it is 0.8 into 0.8 meter square. Upon simplification, this will converted as 2.0096 meter square. Okay. Therefore, the cost of polishing is equals to 15 rupees into 2.0096 rupees, which is equals to 30 rupees 14 paise approximately. Okay, approximation for this value 0.14. Question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeters, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeters and a rectangle of length 3 centimeters and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Okay, find the area of the remaining sheet. See, like this it was removed. Two circles of radius 3.5 and 3.5, okay, and a rectangle of length 3 centimeters and breadth 1 centimeters are removed. Now we will see the radius of the circular sheet is equals to 14 centimeters. Therefore, area is equals to pi r square. That means 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. This is equals to 616 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of two small circles is equals to 2 into pi r square. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 centimeters square, which is equals to 77.0 centimeters square. Area of the rectangle is equals to L into B. That means 3 into 1 centimeters. Okay, which is equals to 3 centimeters. Here 3 centimeters and 1 centimeter. So 3 into 1, which is equals to 3 centimeters square. Area of the remaining sheet after removing the two circles and one rectangle is equals to 616 centimeters square minus of 77 plus 3. Okay, centimeters square. That means 616 minus 80, which is equals to 536 centimeters square. Question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeters is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 centimeters. A circle of radius 2 centimeters is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 centimeters. What is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Here we have to take pi is equals to 3.14. See, side of the square sheet is equals to 6 meters. Therefore, area of the sheet is equals to side into side. We know the formula, that is side square. This is equals to 6 into 6. Here he was given the side is 6 centimeters. So 6 into 6 is equals to 36 centimeters square. The radius of the circle is equals to 2 centimeters. He was given. Therefore, the area of the circle to be cut out is equals to pi r square. That is, area of the leftover sheet is equals to 36 minus 88 by 7, which is equals to 252 minus 88 by 7. So this is 164 by 7. So upon simplification, this will come as 23.44 centimeters square. Question number 12. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeters. Find the radius and area of the circle. The circumference of the circle is 31.4 centimeters. It was given. And we know the value of 2 pi r is equals to 31.4 because it is circumference. So 2 pi r is equals to 31.4. Okay, therefore r is equals to 31.4 by 2 into pi value 3.14. But area of the circle is equals to pi r square. This is the formula. That means 3.14 into 5 into 5. Okay, which is equals to 78.5 centimeters square. So the required radius is equals to 5 centimeters. Here we have got the value, and area is equals to 78.5 centimeter square. Observe the problem carefully. Next, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meters wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meters. What is the area of this path? Take pi value as 3.14. Here it was given that the diameter of the flower bed is equals to 66 meters. Okay? And the radius is 66 by 2, which is equals to 33 meters. Okay. Let R1 is equals to 33 meters. The width of the path is equals to 4 meters. It was given. The radius of the flower bed included path, that means 33 plus 4 is equals to 37 meters. So R2 is equals to 37 meters. And to find the area of the circular path, which is equals to 3.14 into 37 square minus 33 square, that is 3.14 into 37 plus 3, I am sorry, 37 plus 33 into 37 minus 33, because a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b is the formula used. This is equals to 3.14 into 70 into 4, which gives the value of 879.20 meters square. So the required area is equals to 879.20 meters square. Okay. Observe this diagram carefully. Question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. Okay, now the question is, will the sprinkler can water the entire garden? We will see. Area of the flower garden is equals to 314 meters square. Radius of the circular portion covered by the sprinkler is equals to 12 meters. Therefore, area is equals to pi r square. This is equals to 3.14 into 12 into 12. That is 3.14 into 12 into 12 is 144. Okay. So 3.14 into 144. This is equals to 452.16 meters square. But 452.16 is greater than 314 meters square. So the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Okay, because sprinkler can cover 452.16. Okay, and the area of the garden is 314. So the sprinkler can cover the entire garden. Okay. Question number 15. Find the circumference of the inner and outer circles shown in the given figure. We have to find the circumference of the inner circle as well as outer circle. Okay. Radius of the outer circle is 19 meters. Right? Therefore, circumference of the outer circle is equals to 2 pi r. This is equals to 2 into 3.14 into 19. This is equals to 3.14 into 38 meters, in which we can call this as 119.32. Okay, 119.32 meters. The radius of the inner circle is 19 meters minus 10 meters, which is equals to 9 meters. 19 minus 10, this is equals to 9 meters. And the circumference can be calculated as 2 pi r, which is equals to 2 into 3.14 into 9. This is equals to 56.52 meters. Hence, the required circumferences are 56.52 meters and 119.32 meters. Question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeters must rotate to go to 352 meters? Here we have to take the pi value as 22/7. Now see, the radius of the wheel is equals to 28 centimeters. Therefore, the circumference is equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22/7 into 28. This is equals to 176 centimeters. The number of rotations made by the wheel in going 352 meters or 35,200 centimeters is 35,200 by 176. Because it is in centimeters, we have to convert this as into centimeters. So upon cancellation we will get 200. Okay, 200 number of rotations. So the required number of rotations is equals to 200. Observe the problem carefully. Next, question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeters long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Okay, how far does the tip of minute hand move in 1 hour? We have to take pi value as 3.14. The length of minute hand is equals to 15 centimeters given. Therefore, the radius is equals to 15 centimeters. Okay. The circumference is equals to 2 pi r. This is equals to 2 into 3.14 into 15. This is equals to 94.2 centimeters. Since the minute hand covers the distance in 1 hour, which is equals to the circumference of the circle, here the required distance covered by the minute hand is 94.2 centimeters. Okay. See the picture, see the problem carefully. With this we have completed this exercise.